Sometimes it's the family you're born into, and sometimes it's the one you make for yourself.
The adventurer. Problem solvers.
Go guys!
The problem. Saan siya punta guys? Hulaan nyo. Ay, ang chinelas. Pwede ba to? Field trip.
Hey guys!
Hindi ka gaganyan ka. Hindi ko kami
We're now going to for the second time. Ito yung mga kasama namin.
Si Madam is waiting. Sila doon. They have their own world. Kami dito. Kasama si Hi guys! Hi guys!
Withdrawing the surge on right to the aircraft weight and balance restriction. Secure large carry-on baggage in the overhead compartment, as well as under the seat in front. Thank you and have a safe journey ahead.
Self-swimming ka naman. Please. Hi, Sal. Hi, Sal. We're now here at Boracay, guys. Woo! Yes. We're manifesting the good weather. Hi. Sister, go. Ate May. Go, Marta. Ang damot naman ni Madam. Hey guys. May pag-van ako dito. Thank you to Abby's van. Oh, thank you ka muna. Thank you so much. Thank you. Akala ko kasi first meal. Siyempre kailangan. Okay. Tayo. So windy here in Boracay, guys. Hi Marina. This is Marta and Ness. Sexy naman nyo. And this is the view. Medyo maulan. Bakit po? Sama kami. So guys, hindi ako makasimulat na rin. Ako pero. Remember, guys. Hi Marta. Vlog. Ayun. Yung parang ina-update. Hey guys. Hi, ano pangalan mo?
Danjan.
Ikaw?
Same name.
Ah?
Danjan.
Oh? Wow, twins kayo.
Here.
Hi.
Nakit tatay.
Oo. Pagay ka.
Ano pangalan?
Hey guys, we're now here by the beach.
Parang ano to?
Say hi. Hi, Hi, Marina.
Ako, hindi mo ko papakita.
Wait lang, Rai. Oh, eto na si Rai.
Hello guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Yeah. Asa na sila, Kayla?
Green ng dress.
Hi! kayo kay Zarimar.
Pumili kayo sa
At
kanya.
saka bibigyan niya kayo ng AFAM.
Oo, mahanapan kayo.
Magaling daw siya maghanap.
Bibili kayo sa kanya ng 10 pala.
Yes, puntahan niyo siya dito sa station 2.
Wala kaming pera, babe.
Ay! Natanggap ka ng Gcash?
Alam mo number mo?
Talaga, high-tech na din pala dito ah. Bakit tinatago mo? Ow! Oh! Against the light. Oh, go dance.
100?
So we're now having our last dinner. At Anna Barbecue. Ay, yeah. Marta, hi. Hi. Then there's me. So red.
So red.
Cause say hi.
I'm gonna show them your
Redness.
redness. Guys, look at her. Oh my god. You're like
Tama na. Tosino vibes.
casino vibes with this. Oh, no. Hey guys. Paki-blur na lang. Marta na yamatan. Wala si Marta.
Ang hirap makita niyo, Marta. No?
Si Reinhardt. Reinhardt, tingin ako ng splash mo sa gig. Hindi yung splash.
Tingin ng shining, shimmering sa
How about you, girl? Where's your tan? Girl, where's your tan?
Wala. Ako na yun.
Wala din ako ng tan.
Abby was too stunned to sleep. Okay. Yun na, ang gulo na naman. The cell phones eat first. Waiting. Hi guys, we're now here at the airport. Bukas. 7 a.m.
Sakto, no?
Sinakto ni Abby.
Talaga? Ba't ang
Our flight was delayed. 45 minutes. And it's kind of boring. Hello. Boring. Ang ate mo, Sel. Get ready with Kayla.